So here I have a pellet stove auger display, and it's not working. So let's see if we can figure out what's wrong with this board here. We'll just do an initial quick test. Make sure there's no shorts on. Huh, interesting. Usually the ground, what are these? Interesting. Measuring 0.1 across those. Okay, let's take off the top here. It has these little plastic clips. It looks like they put a little GPS thing in here so that it can determine the time. Interesting. Because I know this. I know this chip. To test this out, there's ACL, that would be 120 volts live and neutral. So I will connect 120 volts to see if we can get this to light up. Okay, and you can see that the display does work. We're getting error 1. Getting error 1 because it'll be some sort of connection issue. So this board is good. I can do a further little bit test to verify that I'm getting the 3.3 standby voltage and stuff. And I'm getting 3.3. Disconnect main AC 124 volts to the last two pins. The other ones that looks like it has motor and fan. So to further test this, I would plug whatever connector goes on there and test and make sure that you're measuring 120 volts AC on these two pins here, because I bet you it's not getting power. If it's getting power here, it will be displaying here. So this one is working. It's an issue before this stage of this board.